Hey,
Hi,
hi,
how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing great. How was your day today?
Okay. No, my day was a little bit busy.
What did you do?
I was because the furniture work is going on at my home, so I was not helping them, but I was telling them that what we need to do there, we need to
So
this, they
basically
need.
supervising, right? You were supervising, right?
Yeah, you can say supervising.
Right, right. Okay. So should we begin with today's topic?
I didn't know about this because I didn't get time to go through the session document.
Right, right, right. Okay. So today's topic is significant moments in history. Okay?
Okay.
Right. So, are you a history person? Do you like history in general?
Yeah, I like history. I even want to, if I get chance, I want to try if there is a time machine. So I want to go in the past.
Okay. Okay.
I want to see that kind of when there was a kingdom, and there was a fort, and how they used to fort.
Right.
I just
The
want to
system
know.
of monarchy and palaces and all of that, right?
Yeah,
Right,
there was a
right.
king and queen, and
Exactly. So, before we move ahead with the topic, I just have an extempore topic here and I want you to comment on it. Okay. So,
okay.
the sentence is anyone can be a millionaire if they work hard enough. Do you agree?
Yeah, I just wanna edit it something.
Okay.
Everyone can be millionaire for sure if you do hard work, but there is also be smart work, because if hard work was the key to success, then the day laborer would be millionaire.
Exactly.
So we
Exactly.
can't just say that the hard work is the key to success. Yeah, hard work plus smart work is the key to success.
Exactly. And
uh,
somewhere I feel luck also plays a role here.
yeah, for sure, luck, you require a little bit luck. No matter whether it is 1%, but you just need to have that
Yes, exactly.
1%.
And you can be successful, but for me personally, for me, I feel millionaire is a bit too much because millionaire somewhere you need to have a such a financial background and a family and all of that to actually support you to get there because okay, what are the professions that you think can get you to a state of being a millionaire?
I would say the business would be the first, for
Ex-
sure. But
exactly.
but but there are certain jobs are there like Sundar Pichai. He's also a millionaire and doing a job.
Yeah, right, right.
So you can be millionaire by doing a job, but business would be
Yes,
a,
one that comes into mind the first, right? So
yeah,
yes, that is true. But again, even to like start business, you need to have that resource, those resources, and all
plus
of that.
knowledge.
Exactly, exactly. So it's not necessary everybody who is ready to work hard will have those resources as well. So I feel like working hard is not the only thing, right? There are
Yeah,
a lot of other things we need to keep in mind before aiming to become a millionaire.
of course.
Are you ever planning to become one?
Yeah, I'm almost a billionaire.
Okay. And what makes
Yeah, the thing is that there are how many zeros are there in the billion? Just tell me.
that hard to count? Um,
Ah, you can count. Take your time.
okay, but then what makes you say that? Like, are you
No, no,
earning a
yeah, yeah. Sorry.
what makes you say you are already?
Yeah, because though there are, I don't also know that. I think there are seven zeros are there.
Nine.
In a
It's
billion.
9. In a
Yeah,
million.
it's 9. Yeah. So in a million it's 7, in billion it's 9. So I have all the zeros, but I just need that one to become a billionaire.
Oh my God. That was like, okay. But still, that one is everything, you know. Even if you don't have one
Yeah,
zero, still
but I have all the zeros now. I just need that one. That one.
from where?
You
That
can't deny, you can't deny the thing that,
it can even be after 1 0, but that won't make sense. You need to have that one after 9 zeros.
yeah, it will be for one day for sure. And you will be searching me on Google. So
Okay.
this is the person I
I
talked.
strongly remember you. I'm like, okay, he came to me for the session. Right.
Yeah. And you can say proudly that this guy used to come to me for learning English. And you
I
can
see that day.
and you can even open a coaching class and say and take your headline that even Mahesh Nagda learned English from us.
Oh my God. Okay. Nice to see you having such big dreams. And I hope you achieve those. Okay. So
Thanks for have confidence in me and praying for me.
totally.
And
You
because as they said that you are just one idea away from becoming a millionaire or billionaire, isn't it?
yeah.
For
So
example, that for example, Sachin has this one idea as a cricket, MS Dhoni has a cricket. So they just have that one idea, or maybe can say skill. So that they just need that one thing and they become millionaire and billionaire and all. Isn't it?
yeah, totally, totally. You don't
If I talk about
right.
Bill
What
Gates,
have you studied?
yeah, I have done my BBA.
BBA. So you're already on that business track. So yeah, keep going. Right. Okay. So coming back to our actual topic, history. So you're already interested in history. So which is the moment in history that you believe is very important? So it can be different for different people. So according to you, anything that you remember and you feel like, yes, this is very important.
Mm, I'm not able to recall the things right
Okay.
now.
So have you ever tried to watch or read about history?
Yeah, I watch movies a lot about the history.
So are you interested more in like the Indian history or the world history?
No, Indian history, because there is
In
a lot of things in our Indian history.
totally. So okay, let's not talk about the most important, but what is that one historical event that you remember which you might want to talk about?
Uh, if I talk about Maharana Pratap, it was the great warrior.
He was a great warrior.
He was a great warrior,
Hmm.
and he fought very bravely. Even if you have you ever visited Chittorgarh,
I've heard,
there.
I've not visited, but yeah.
Okay, because it is just 15 kilometers far away from my place. So
Hmm.
I have been there. So if you
Okay.
see that there are certain weapons of him, like it is a javelin and what can say talwar. What can say talwar in English? I just forgot the word.
Sword.
Sword, yeah. And there I don't remember. And the kavach, which is of iron. So it was so heavy that even a normal person can't just lift it. And he used to fight after wearing those things. So just imagine that how strong that person was.
Exactly.
Just
It's
imagine.
the shield that you call it. Yeah, kavach. It's
Yeah,
shield.
sheer. So just imagine how strong that person was. And there was one incident that he just cut one Mughal in two part with the horse with just
Okay.
one shot. So just
Hmm.
imagine how strongest that shot can be with the horse cutting in two different part.
Yeah, totally, totally.
So I just wanna visit and want to meet those person. Yeah.
Yeah, right, exactly. I know he's a very inspirational historical figure and many people admire him. So yes, that is
Yeah.
very true. Okay, so what makes him important according to you, apart from his strength?
He is important because he didn't give up. He used to fight till his last breath, and he didn't even surrender in front of Mughals. Whether he didn't have the army, didn't have the weapons, but still he fought. He didn't
Exactly.
give up. He didn't surrender.
Yeah.
Fought for his motherland, her country.
So, apart from his courage and all, I feel like he was also a very good ruler. Like his people
Obviously,
loved him, right? So that
obviously,
is also somewhere very important. Like talking about this courage thing, even our soldiers today, they are so brave that they keep fighting, right? They don't give up. So now
yeah,
that they are also much respected. That is true. But what makes Maharana Pratap different is his ruling, right? How he ruled his kingdom and his people and all. So that is
yeah.
also important, right? Okay. So, how do you think has that event affected today's India? Like, how did we, come from that point till today, and how has it impacted? So, the question is basically, what were its effect on the world we know today? So, just related to that particular incident or that war that you're talking about.
I don't know because those history chronology.
Right, exactly. So yeah, that is like a war which is fought long back. So maybe,
Yeah,
if we talk about the freedom struggle, right? And that time we had so many like, the Salt March and
yeah.
the even after independence and all, we had the Kargil War, right? Uh,
Cargill, yeah.
did you watch the movie Sher Shah?
Yeah. I watched that movie. Amazing movie.
Yeah, right. So I thought I'll just mention that because that has been, that is being discussed these days a lot due to that.
और आता लंबिया लंबिया.
Right, right, exactly. So, what do you think Kargil War? How did that impact India and Pakistan? And if you want to talk on that part, on that topic.
Uh, and the result of this war is this Pakistan now know that India is father of Pakistan. So don't mess with father.
But this thing keeps happening, and I don't know. Do you blame Pakistan?
Obviously, there is no doubt in that.
Okay.
Because there is I don't know, but as we know that the Pakistan is the factory of militants and terrorists. There
But
are
not
many times we have seen that they are uh, nurturing the militants and terrorists and sending to our territories, and they are just blasting the bomb on our military personals and even in country.
yeah, right.
And there are many famous terrorists who are living in Pakistan, but they don't do anything with them. So this is not good thing.
See, I agree with what you're saying, but when I talk about what I believe in, I feel like I am not against Pakistan or something because there are innocent people like us living there as well.
Yeah, also there are
Group of
certain
people,
people.
spoil the entire nation's name and all. But just because of that group, it is not fair to blame the entire country, right?
No,
So,
I'm blaming on Pakistan government and military,
military.
not Pakistani people.
Hmm.
Maybe there are some who are innocent. I'm not telling that all people in Pakistan are bad and dangerous.
But the general kind of a notion that people have in India against Pakistanis, it's like, okay, he's from Pakistan. So they,
because
that that
because
natural hate comes up, right?
because they have made their image like this now.
But yeah, but again, I don't know. I don't like to just, generalize anything. It's not just about Pakistan, even like, if we say Bengalis are like this, or Americans are like this. I feel like no, maybe some people might be like that. It's not necessary everybody is. So I somewhere
but
believe in individualism,
but
right?
in India we follow a principle, if you know, I think Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Whole world is a family.
Yeah,
So we are that kind of person.
yeah. But again, you'll find such rebellious people even in India who just are, go to different places just to bring chaos and destroy.
Ah, it's like बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती
Again, yeah, right, right.
हैं.
Agreed. So yes, that is there, and basically this is a world with a variety of different kinds of people. So you'll find all of them. You can't
But
really.
no matter where we go, east or west, India is the best.
Yeah, that is also there. Totally, totally. So you love your country?
Obviously, you don't love.
No,
There
no,
is
I
no
do.
doubt in that.
No, I'm just framing questions. So why do you love your country?
Uh, because I born and brought up in my country, and as far as we know that in whole world, India is the country which follows the principle of non-violence. They don't attack on any country from first,
Yeah,
right?
unless we are attacked. Yeah,
And if you talk about like, yeah, so if you talk about Afghanistan, so now India is taking out people who are from India or not from India, but still those are Hindus and Sikh. So we are that kind of country. Atithi
right.
Devo Bhava.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Um, we are one of
How
a
much I
kind.
can say about India? There is lot to, yeah.
Totally.
I can't even describe characteristic of India in one session. Even it will be take me millions and billions of years.
Right. Now, billion is going to remind me of that one. So don't mention it. Time is
Now
up.
you won't say anything like billionaire. You are also billionaire.
Yeah, totally. Just searching for that one. Right.
Yeah, you will find also soon, I hope.
I hope so. Right. So it was great talking to you.
Same here.